How to scan a Snapcode saved to your camera roll. Hi, for today we're back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to scan a Snapcode saved to your camera roll. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and go to Snapchat and see if it's updated. If you'll see an update button, if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button here, which means my Snapchat application is updated. Now, if it's updated, we can now go to our tutorial. So first is you click on Snapchat here, and then it will lead you here to your camera. And then on the upper part, you will see an add friend icon. You tap on that. And here on the Find Friends area, you will see the word Find Friends beside the search bar. On the right part, you will see the Snapchat icon in a square or in a box. Now you tap on that and it will lead you to your photos. Now all you have to do is to tap on that snap code there, and you have to find for this type of code from your friend, and basically it will add him or her. So that is how you scan a snap code saved to your camera roll. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.